Okay, on to the main course. So yeah, I think come down, same sort of traditional route. So we've got some poached chicken with red onion, sort of half roast, half poached. We got some fondant style potatoes, so cooked in stock and fat. We've got some carrots and swedes. We've got some cavolo nero. We've got some delicious chicken broth. And we've got a mix of garlic and parsley and thyme. And some horseradish and thyme cream. Okay, so first thing, get my broth on the go. And then I've got my oven on about 190. So take those potatoes. And bang them in the oven. Okay, then we're just going to wait for broth to come to a boil and then start putting everything in. We'll go chicken first, then the carrots and swede, and then the cavolo nero. Okay, so we're just coming up to a boil now. Just turn it down to a bit of a simmer. And going with the chicken. Chicken first, just to make sure it's all hot. Give that a bit of a stir. Just give that a minute or so, and then in with the carrot and swede. Okay, so now that started coming back up to the boil. We'll add the veg. Well, this is kale, but when you get it, it'll be cavolo nero from Hare Hill. Oh, yeah, saying that, the carrots and the swede will be from Hare Hill. Chicken is from Springfield, and it'll be cavolo nero from Hare Hill too. I'll just turn that down. We just want to let that sort of rest a little bit, and doesn't need to bubble. It just needs to stay hot, so there's no rush on that. They're going to be just a couple of minutes, the potatoes. So the potatoes, you can probably take a little bit further than that, but they're hot enough and they've got a bit of colour on them. So first one I'm going to do, dot these guys in like islands. I'll turn that off now. Into the broth, I'm going to take half of my garlic, parsley and thyme and just stir that in. So now, it'll be a case of sort of pulling out your individual bits and presenting it kind of how you like. I'm going to try and keep all the chicken to one side. Could of course just tip it all in, but a little bit of care. It's going to make it look nice, I think. So that's the chicken on. And we're going to dot the carrots and swedes. Okay, great. So we've got the veg basically all out there looking nice. And then we're just going to ladle the rest over the top. Oh look, an extra bit of chicken there for somebody. Pop that on that one. Looks like they go a bit less. Take our cream on top. And finally, a bit more of the garlic, parsley, thyme mix over the top. It's a pretty simple stew really, but I think it's quite an exciting one.